passenger side. Second hand lock. One screw. One screw. Two screw. Torque 30 long. Another screw, torque 20 on the edge. Normal plug in inner hand. So torque 30. I think anyway we have to take the speaker out. Take out all the net cable. To take out the black plastic, this the big one. For the crash sensor, I prefer to take it all out, to screw, not to take out the plug for the airbag. So we take all the cable now, free. We can take out the screws. For the window glass, a little bit tricky. This side, okay, we can take out the glass. Other side, it's closed. I will see how to take it out. But this one, it's here, like this. This plastic, you put it back, like this. You pull it back. Here is easy. On the other side, I will see how to take it out. I'll go and screw here, going inside. Now we can take out. Okay, I was thinking the motor regulator is connected to the panel, the black panel, but I discovered it's separate. So now it's easy. As I told you, this one like this behind, and the other one like this behind, and you pull the window glass up and stay up. Now we take out the lock. You have to take out the handle, outer handle. I'll take the handle. Okay. Okay. Torque 20. Okay, we need to take the black trim from here. It's like just like this. There is one screw under, torque 20, and 3 screws. Two. Now it's out with the hand. So this is soft lock. Take out this. Okay, this is the second hand. This is the original one. I like to swap all this. I put it looks the same, but sometimes a little bit different. Sometimes, not always. And I just swap this cable and I put the original hand. And we see, this is the same size, the same long. You have to be careful always. Sometimes a little bit different make a lot of difference. Okay. As you see, always there is a difference. You see here, this is for the soft close. This one is no soft close. As you see, this one is not available here. The second hand one. So soft close is not going to work. Or we have to swap this, but it's a very long time we need. So we decide to put the new one because it's a little bit difficult to take out the things from here. Put it there. This one not available inside the car. There is here something. This is not available inside the new plug. So we will put it like this, and he will lose a soft close. We cannot do anything. The new one is very expensive. Okay, everything is okay for the window now. As you see, like this, like that. Just push down. Okay, everything good. So this is a soft close. I tied it here with zip tie, so we don't need it because we cannot put it anyway. Then second hand lock which we bring it is not for soft lock doors. Everything is okay. It's closed, open. Very good.